Hollywood vs. History. What 300 Got Wrong About History. The 2006 film 300, directed by Zack Snyder, is a visually stunning cinematic masterpiece that brought the ancient Battle of Thermopylae to life. However, while the movie captured audiences with its stylized action and larger-than-life characters, it took significant creative liberties with historical accuracy. In this article, we'll explore the differences between Hollywood's interpretation and the real history behind the events depicted in 300, from Spartan Warriors to Persian empires. Let's separate fact from fiction. 1. The Battle of Thermopylae. The Battle of Thermopylae for 80 BC was a pivotal moment in the Greco-Persian Wars, where 300 Spartans led by King Leonidas fought against the massive Persian army of Xerxes I. Fact: the battle lasted 3 days. Not the extended timeline shown in the film. Fiction: the movie exaggerates the size of the Persian army, claiming millions when historians estimate closer to 150,000 to 300,000 soldiers. 2. The Spartan Warriors. Spartans were elite warriors known for their discipline and rigorous training, but the film romanticizes their appearance and tactics. Fact: Spartans wore heavy bronze armor, not the leather speedos depicted in 300. Fiction: the film portrays them as nearly invincible superhumans, ignoring their reliance on teamwork and strategy. 3. King Leonidas. Leonidas is portrayed as a fearless, stoic leader, but his character in the movie diverges from historical accounts. Fact: Leonidas was around 60 years old during the battle, far older than Gerard Butler's youthful portrayal. Fiction: his famous line, "This is Sparta," is entirely fictional and adds dramatic flair rather than historical truth. 4. Queen Gorgo. Queen Gorgo, played by Lena Headey, is shown as a strong and influential figure, which aligns somewhat with historical records. Fact: she was indeed a respected political advisor in Sparta. Fiction: her speech at the Spartan Council, including the infamous betrayal scene, is pure dramatization. 5. The Persian Empire. Xerxes I and his empire are depicted as decadent, monstrous, and almost godlike, which misrepresents Persian culture. Fact: the Persians were a sophisticated civilization with advanced engineering, art, and governance. Fiction: Xerxes' towering stature and golden body armor are exaggerated for cinematic effect. 6. The Immortals. The Immortals, Xerxes' elite guard, are shown as faceless, masked warriors, creating an eerie aesthetic. Fact: they were highly skilled infantrymen who wore traditional armor and helmets. Fiction: their portrayal as supernatural fighters detracts from their historical significance. 7. The role of other Greeks. While 300 focuses heavily on the Spartans, other Greek city-states also contributed to the defense of Thermopylae. Fact: around 7,000 Greek soldiers fought alongside the Spartans, including Thespians and Thebans. Fiction: the film sidelines these allies, giving all the credit to Sparta. 8. The betrayal of Ephialtes, the disfigured traitor, plays a key role in the film's climax. Fact: a local resident did betray the Greeks by revealing a hidden path to the Persians. Fiction: there is no evidence he was physically deformed or sought revenge. 9. The aftermath of Thermopylae. After the battle, Greece continued to resist Persian forces, culminating in victories like the Battle of Salamis. Fact: the sacrifice at Thermopylae inspired unity among the Greek city-states. Fiction: the movie ends abruptly without addressing the broader war effort. 10. Why Hollywood takes liberties. Filmmakers often prioritize entertainment over accuracy to captivate audiences. Reason 1. Visual spectacle sells tickets. Historical realism might not. Reason 2. Simplifying complex narratives makes them more accessible. Reason 3. Creative freedom allows directors to craft compelling stories. 11. Lessons from 300. Despite its inaccuracies, 300 sparked renewed interest in ancient history, encouraged viewers to learn about the real events of Thermopylae, highlighted the importance of storytelling in preserving cultural memory, showcased how modern technology can bring history to life. 12. Conclusion. While 300 is a thrilling piece of cinema, it's essential to recognize its deviations from history by understanding both the facts and the fiction. we gain a deeper appreciation for the true heroes of Thermopylae and the rich tapestry of ancient civilizations, whether you're a fan of history or Hollywood. Tools like CapCut allow creators to blend education and entertainment seamlessly.